Muss ich auch jetzt immer in die Kamera lächeln?
Jawohl, Artyom, das musst du. Okay, mal hin. Sehr schön. Jetzt komm schon, bereit machen, Junge. Gucken, was funktioniert und was nicht.
Beine schlägen einfach rumschlagen.
Ich will kurz hier stehen bleiben, ganz kurz.
Ich will nicht rein.
Okay guys, this is my plan. That's our point where we're starting right now. And I knew from the earlier games that I had on this field some years ago that the two big teams will meet each other on the flag number 7. You can see it here on to the right. And I was thinking with my sniper I could pick off the enemy players from the other side of this river. I'm using the train tracks to move fast, so I don't have to run through the high grass, you know? But the problem was that the enemy team was not as fast as it has been in the past years, so it was not on flag number 7. It was between flag number 7 and flag number 3. So I had to move up the train tracks, and then I was at flag number 4. And there was the enemy. So I couldn't shoot to the left over the river. I had to shoot to the right at the enemy players on flag number 4. That was a problem. And I was a bit surprised because I did not consider flag number 4 in my planning. So I had to improvise, and well, you will see what happened. Here you can see a red and a blue smoke grenade. That's where flag number 7 is located.
Hallo, bist du ein NPC? Was denn? Eine Missionsrolle. Darf ich dich ansprechen oder muss ich zum Händler?
This person is an in-game character, and he's telling me how I can win some points for my team. I would need to go on a small boat that's located around 10 meters from there. He's pointing at it. And I would have to ship above the river, and I didn't want to get wet, so I tell him, no.
Du weißt, wo ich zu finden bin.
Jawohl.
Bis zum Spielende bin ich hier.
Geht, klar. Prost!
And here I see my first enemies. I decided to walk to the right, so I can sneak up on them without them noticing me.
So, ich höre da drüben Geräusche. Ich hoffe, hier kommt keiner.
And here we got the enemy players from flag number 4, which I did not consider in my plan. Because I was running so fast, I have to wait until my teammates arrive, so they can heal me.
So eine beschissene Stelle ausgesucht.
Mhm.
Alter.
Danke, Stefan. Hä? Scheiße.
Den haben wir.
Ja. Warte, hier oben rechts, da oben rechts. Direkt vor uns. Siehst du? Sehr gut, sehr gut. Oh, scheiße, meine Brille beschlägt. Ich sehe nichts mehr. Ich versuche hochzugehen. Bleib hier, das bewegt dich gar nicht. Ich gehe einfach nicht rein. Dankeschön nochmal. Ne? Entschuldige, dass ich dich jetzt nicht holen kann.
Well, sadly, this was all I had from this event, the German Beerzone 9 and German 999. No, because I'm a player, okay? I like to film airsoft, but I'm a player. I love playing it. And when you run around with a lot of GoPros and cams, it's hard if the memory card is not full and everything. So it's not easy to concentrate on the game. And I want to thank the people supporting me on Patreon. It really helps me out. You have no idea. Fabio Bear is one of them, and the rest you can see in the video description in the Wall of Fame. Well, have a nice day, everyone. Muffin signs out.